Hello children, welcome in the class of life skills and value education. Our today's chapter is chapter number 4, be patriotic. You know what does patriotic means? It means to support and love one's country. In this chapter we will study lot about patriotism and a story of an Indian patriot whose name was Chandrasekhar Azad. So let's come to the chapter. Being patriotic means being faithful and responsible for the country. Faithful means loyal, one who does not cheat with anyone. A patriotic person has a great love for his country. He has great respect for the national symbols of his country. He knows the importance of national monuments. He never harms to these monuments. Students, let's have a look to our national monuments and national symbols. This is flag and this is national emblem. Here it is India Gate and it is a picture of Red Fort. We should respect our national symbols and should not spoil our national monuments. He has great respect for the freedom fighters who laid their lives for the country. He celebrates the national festivals with great enthusiasm. He prays to God for peace and prosperity in the country. He loves his countrymen. He lives in the country with the sense of brotherhood. Here, enthusiasm means enjoyment, prosperity means rich and wealthy state. Brotherhood means having a strong bond. Means the people of India celebrates each festival with great enjoyment and praise for being in rich and wealthy state, and they love each other like a strong bond of brother. It means we should also be a patriot. We should love our country and its assets and should always be ready to sacrifice ourselves for our country. Children, you should also love your country. India is our country. She is like our mother. She gives us food, water, and fulfills all our needs. That is why we also call her motherland. Many people have sacrificed their lives for their motherland. Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose are a few sons of the soil who have sacrificed their lives for their motherland. Children, you can see here the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose who laid their lives for their motherland. Now, let us read a story to know about a great patriot of India, Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great patriot. He was born on July 23, 1906 at Bhavra village in Jhabua district of Madhya Pradesh. His parents were Pandit Sitaram Tiwari and Jagrani Devi. It was the time when India was under the control of the British. Who were Britishers? Britishers were the people who came from Britain to rule over India. They ruled for about 200 years and ill-treated Indians. The British did not treat the Indians properly. Chandrasekhar Azad did not like to see India as a slave country. What is slave? It means one who is forced to obey someone. Students, Chandrasekhar Azad was a brave person who loved his country very much. He made many efforts to enslave his country and he even was beaten up by Britishers because he raised his voice against them. He started participating in revolutionary activities from his childhood. Revolutionary means one who tries to bring change. Once he was caught by the British police. When the magistrate asked his name, he said Azad, which means free from bondage. As Azad did not want to live under any restrictions of Britishers. Chandrasekhar was sentenced to 15 lashes. Lashes means beating someone with stick or leather strip. With each stroke of the whip, the young Chandrasekhar Azad shouted, Bharat Mata ki Jai. From then on, Chandrasekhar assumed the title of Azad. So, after reading this chapter, we came to know about one of our brave Indian freedom fighter. We all should take inspiration from Chandrasekhar Azad and should always be loyal to our country, no matter what situation we have to face. So, students, this is all for today's class. We'll meet again soon. Till then, take care.